Hi mga kabarangay! Good Lumina morning! I'm Marky, your CCTV officer here in Lumina Tanza. Tara, samahan niyo ako libutin ang Tanza. Sa Vista Mall Tanza. 5 minutes lang, pwede ka na makapag-grocery, shopping, dining, at makapag-bond with your family. Naman kung gaano ka-secure ang safety ng mga residents natin dito sa Lumina. Meron tayong 24 hours guarded entrance and we also follow health and safety protocols. Tara, pasok tayo! For moving process, first, endorsement of unit. Once your account is already loan released, it will be endorsed by admin department to customer care department. Second, move-in briefing seminar through Zoom application. To follow the safety protocols this pandemic season, the management adopted the digital world through conducting moving seminar through Zoom application to lessen the physical contact. The CCD officer will send invitations for those endorsed accounts through text messages and emails. During briefing seminar, CCD officer will discuss all the process of application for utilities and guidelines and restriction inside the subdivision, including the safety protocols before moving in. Also, homeowners can ask all their queries during the question and answer portion. Lastly, the actual turnover. CCD officer will send the turnover invitation for those clients who attended Zoom briefing seminar. Process includes the inspection of unit and acceptance of the property. During the unit inspection, we are showing the homeowners every part of their unit and giving them ideas for their future renovation.
Lumina.com.ph. See you on another